I still remember how I felt the day when I joined, from where post UPSC, how I was feeling. Right now, I'm in a very good space in my mind. I'm more happy.
I want to personally thank Satakshi and Naman. I recently got placed.
There is just so much to gain from the masterclasses, especially Satakshi. Your masterclasses are amazing.
You teach how to think, and that's what you have re-emphasized in all your classes. You teach how to think, and that's what you have re-emphasized in all your classes. And all our lives, what we have learned is to reach a conclusion or an answer in our education system, and that's not important. The important thing is the process. So that is something that I have learned, and this is something that I'll always remember for life.
I want to personally thank Satakshi and Naman. I recently got placed a month back. It's because of that interview prep style and how to create a good CV. When I changed my CV, that's when I started getting a lot of opportunities from multiple companies, where I used to stick on to 1 to 2 page CV, then highlighting the education, highlighting those parts, the 4 important points. So these things worked out for me.
3 key learnings. I still remember how I felt the day when I joined, from where post UPSC, how I was feeling. Right now, I'm in a very good space in my mind. I'm more happy, and the quality of the cohort is so good. And I'm more of introvert and occasionally extrovert kind of a person. But I could see I'm more comfortable reaching out to new people, speaking to new people. Even within my surroundings, I'm little different now than how I was before. Less biased, less opinionated. Okay with most kind of people. I'm like okay in a good space. Apart from that, coming to the master classes. When I compare all the master classes, the ones which stand out for me are the Shatakshis. I'm not saying because she's the speaker here for today. Even when compared to the guest speakers, I found the way she conducts the classes, the style of it, or the way it is delivered, those are the best.
So for me, GGI was the first platform that I came across just after finishing college. So instead of going to the job, I wanted to upskill myself, and that's how I wanted to do this fellowship when I came across GGI. And touch wood, I can say that I have learned certain beautiful life lessons, not in terms of curriculum, but also what I can inculcate in my life. One thing I would want to say to everyone is that I abide by this principle called as don't be serious about it, but be sincere about it. So for me, I always, with regards to GGI as well, I was a little bit intimidated in the beginning because I come from a law background, and when I first attended my product management masterclass, it was my first masterclass. The lingo, the kind of verbatim was used in the class was a bit new for me. But then I took it as a challenge and I took it as a learning for me. And then, to be very honest, that kind of a learning journey has been very beautiful over the last few months. And there is just so much to gain from the masterclasses, especially Satakshi. Your masterclasses are amazing, and you not only target towards the learning part, but also towards the life part. That's what I have gained the most. And also, if you be open to learning everything new, that's what I was. So for that, every small points also, you will get so much to gain from it. And that's how I have been through this journey. And I have never before practiced case interviews, or have never thought cases per se. But the websites or the platform that you offer in Schrodinger and Trinity have really opened doors for me. And I'm actually looking into certain new opportunities that I was not aware of before. And another learning that GGI has given me is the people that it has given me. After college, my first goal was to connect to a lot of people as much as possible and make a very good network out of it. So the kind of people I have come across, the kind of friendships I have made in this cohort is really valuable, and it will be there for me for a long time, for lifelong especially.